Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video is my Valentine makeup. So I want to show you guys how I could achieve an easy 5 minutes Valentine makeup. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get into this video. I'm super happy to make this video. Just want to show you guys how you can achieve a flawless makeup in just 5 minutes. So this is my face. I'm gonna go on and prime my face with my Cyan face primer. I really love this primer, and this is one of the best primers. Today I am super excited because we are going to be doing all drugstore and affordable makeup and Valentine's Day look. And I can't believe it's almost February and Valentine's Day is almost here. I'm gonna go in with my two foundation, Laura and my Perfect Color. So I'm gonna combine these two foundations together. I love Laura. This is like a skin and it lasts for 24 hours. So I'm gonna go in Laura with deep golden, while I go in with my Perfect Color in C14. Right, the first one I go in with is this Perfect Color. Honestly, with this Valentine's Day is one of the very few things that I will talk to let in the den of winter. You know, at least it let us get a little bit of basic to go out for a dinner night. Oh my God, this is a bit light to me. I'm done blending it. Everything with this is a double full coverage. It's comfort and retouch free. Untouchable for the whole day. So I'm gonna go on with my Laura. My all-time favorite foundation. I just drop a drop of it. I usually blend it with a beauty blender, but I'm gonna use my brush. Having brush to brush my foundation, I kind of think is a bad habit. I'm gonna go on with the brush and blend it out. Not all over my face, just a few parts of my face. As you can see, it looks like skin. Oil-free, love like wherever. So I do look forward to a Valentine's Day, and not much until the springtime comes around. So this is how this foundation is. This is like a skin. This foundation is super beautiful, like super good. I love it. I'm gonna go on with my Perfect Color Concealer in stick. This is medium buildable coverage, natural finish. So I'm using the color Cinnamon. I haven't gone through so many concealer lately. Nothing compares to this one. Like I am in love with this concealer. Like this is so beautiful. It's like a holy grail for me. It's like a full coverage. It literally covers everything. The color I just I'm concealing the key parts. I'm gonna define this area. Under my eyelid, my nose, forehead, under my nose and mouth. Wow, this fun. This highlight out under my cheekbone. It's so beautiful. I let it sit and blend it out. That way I can get a nicely full coverage look. I like to let it dry out, then blend it out. If you want to look a bit special with this makeup tutorial, you can look your best and don't have to spend a lot of money. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and click the little bell and subscribe button, and so you can be notified when my videos upload. This foundation is with SPF 15. It's untouchable. It stays this way all day. So I use the one of medium to full coverage and the one of double coverage. So this comes out so beautiful. Yes. And I go on with my Perfect Contour Stick just to contour under my cheekbone. Now just put a little bit here. Wow, this makes my skin looks like I just returned from a tropical gateway. Look at this. It adds warmth to my face. Just a bit of my nose. I love the high pigmentation and this bronze contour, creating a beautiful sun-kissed effect. And sculpt. This is a cream-based bronzer, which gives me a more seamless and natural look while sculpting and shaping my face. I go on and blend this out. Like, tap this in. Not brushing. I love to contour and bronze in a sort of diagram format. Next, I go in with my setting powder. So I go on with my Perfect Color loose powder. I'm gonna set my face and blend it more. This will literally set my face makeup onto my skin. So I'm applying it near the center of my face and work my way outward. I don't stroke or press too hard or being too rough, since it will disrupt my foundation. I love the color of this powder. I use 1 coat of powder on my face to keep from looking cakey. So I go on with my Clinique setting powder to brush off any excess on my face. This particular Clinique powder is much more lighter from the first one. And it's translucent, I mean to say. This is a must-have for any look. It's color-free, invisible, and gives you the most even long-lasting, natural-looking finish. It's pricey, about $30 plus, but it's worth it. So it's time for my brows. And my brow pencil is, I'm using this PS brow pencil in dark brown. I'm using this PS brow pencil. I'm gonna fill up my brows. My brows are like two different people. I don't really like it, but I'm gonna try to make it work. So I'm gonna just make it a stroke because I want it to be as natural as possible. Following the shape of my brows, avoiding a heavy hand when filling in the center of my brows. Wherever it's more sparse, I just add a little more. I'm kind of mapping my brows to get it into good shape. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brow definer to add definition and to make those my thin and sparse brows appear fuller and create fine details. It's all coming together. So I go back with my concealer to just define the underneath my brow. Help to shape my brows. It will conceal fine hairs that have popped up and help my brows look neat and shaped. Okay, this works. Yeah, no one will ever knows that you skipped a plugin section or two. I love the fact that this brings instant shape and definition to my eyebrows. So this works, and I apply this too. It makes the eyeshadow you're gonna apply on it more pronounced and pop. Tap that in and blend it up. Extending it towards the brows for a seamless, natural look finish. So I go back and define this brow very well again. It's time for my eyeshadow, so I'm using this Nosube palette. So I'm gonna first of all go with the first shade, this pink. Second, go with this one. Then go with the purple. So these are the three colors I'll be using. I go first with this. The pink almost acts like highlighter. And apply it, just add the crease and extend it up. Then I go in with the second darker pink. And I just apply this again here. You know, this is Valentine period, so I want to make sure. So I go in with the purple here. I purple. And just brush it off on top. So I'm going to go in with the darker shade, with this dark brown here. So here you can see. So I'll just use a plain brush to brush that off. It's all coming together. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to take this shade right here. And just apply this on the top. So, you guys, this is all coming together. So I extend this up here just to define the under. Okay, so it's time to wings out my eyelid. So I'm gonna go on with this Miss Roya eyeliner. So I just draw a straight line here and start from the middle to join it. Alright baby, time for mascara. So I'm using mascara volume in black. Yes. Curve that out. Just curve those eyelashes out. Curving out on to create a bend, adding a little more comb and definition through my papers. It's time for my blushes. This makeup is looking so good. It is time for my blush. I'm going on with this pinky color blush, signifying happiest color of nature. Add that on top, like this. Alright, so It's time for my contouring. I'm using this Essence Contouring. And this light shade. Just to define the cheekbone. I'm just going to use the same blush. It doesn't matter. I'm going to apply this here too. So for my highlights, I'm using this Miss Rose Golden highlights. This highlight is basically bringing out light to the high points of my face, which creates dimensions. So when I move my face around, I get that 3D effect. My nose, tap everywhere. It's a super flattering way to give your skin a glow, whisk, subtle changing the shape of your face. So it's like a light reflects, making my cheekbones look more prominent. The highlights are in different forms, liquid, cream, and powder. It all enhances your complexion and gives skin a brighter, doughy glow. So I top that up with this Technique Get Gorgeous light. Oops! So I just tap that on again and define those areas again. I'm gonna go in with my highlight brush, like just to define this area. Let's make sure I properly smooth that out. Right, this is how this makeup is turning up. It's really cute. I can feel this makeup coming together. So it's time for my lipstick, and I'm gonna go on with this PS matte lipstick in red. It's Valentine, so everything about Valentine is red. This is why I am going on with those guys. Look at this, so gorgeous. Like, yes, you can choose to leave this makeup like this or just have your lashes. I'll just go on like this. This makeup turns out so good, like you can see. Oh my goodness, this makeup is amazing. This is super good. Natural, flawless. So I decide not to wear lashes. I decide to go with no lashes. This is still good. It still looks gorgeous, guys. This makeup turns out so well. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I wish you a beautiful Valentine's Day. Enjoy whatever you're doing, however you're doing it. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Ciao.